Uh, let's start it. In this, we are going to discuss Master Amazon Kinesis. As part of Master Amazon Kinesis, let's start understanding what is Amazon Kinesis and features of Amazon Kinesis system. Let me explain Kinesis system. So before going to explain Kinesis, let's understand streaming. Let's understand streaming. Stream means continuous flow of data type. Stream means continuous flow of data. Let's say take a log, take a uh, log file. In this log file, maybe application server, maybe web server, maybe web server, maybe database server, maybe other servers writes continuous data into this location. Yes or no? Continuously they write data into this location, maybe sensor data, maybe GPS data, maybe IoT data, etc. So data continuously writes. Stream means continuous flow of data. Continuous flow of data. Continuous continuous flow of data. Flow of data. So if any source generating continuous flow of data, we use streaming frameworks. We use we use streaming frameworks like hmm, let's say here we use streaming frameworks. Streaming frameworks to read this continuous flow of data. Can anyone tell me what are different streaming frameworks available in real world? Yes, correct. There is a component. Uh, there are multiple common components in Apache. So we have Apache side, Apache having multiple components, like Apache Flume is one component, Apache Kafka is another component, Apache Storm is another component, Apache Storm is another component, and Apache Spark Streaming. Like this, Apache having multiple streaming components, multiple streaming components to handle with the streaming data. Similar way, AWS having specialized component, AWS having specialized component called AWS Kinesis. Kinesis is specialized components. Kinesis is specialized components for handling handling this streaming data, like this Azure having Azure Streams, Azure Streams, Azure Streams. Similar way, GCP having PubSub, GCP having PubSub, different technologies having different components to handle streaming data. You are saying Apache Kafka. It's not AWS. Apache Kafka you can install in AWS, Azure, GCP, anywhere. Title is Apache. Component from Apache. Okay? Yeah. So AWS having specialized component is Kinesis to deal with the streaming data. So there are having plenty of technologies having streaming technologies, streaming technologies in AWS, specialized service called AWS Kinesis to deal with streaming data. There are plenty of frameworks available in real world deal with the streaming. Not only these components team. There are plenty of tools. There are plenty of tools available in the market. Not only these, there are plenty of tools. In that, AWS, AWS specialized service called Kinesis, it deals with pure streaming data. Okay, yeah. Let's start understanding Kinesis. Now let's start understanding Kinesis. So understand, right, what is Kinesis? Kinesis is a powerful AWS service designed for real-time data or streaming data. Along with, you can also do analytics, live analytics using that streaming data. Kinesis can be configured with any source like IoT devices, applications, websites, clickstreams, any streaming source. Then we can capture the data. We can write output into S3, or if you want to do any analytics, you can write analytics on the streaming data. Results also you can write into S3 or some other. Mostly how we use Kinesis is, let's say, streaming source, streaming source, streaming source. Here we are getting continuous streaming data. We configured Kinesis. We are going to configure Kinesis. We are going to configure Kinesis for streaming data. Then we are going to write it into S3. Usual requirement. Usual requirement is in this way. So we are going to write it into S3. Once data is presented in S3, then we are going to write glue application to process this data, and then finally we are going to write into data warehouse. These kind of scenarios we can see in real-time environment. So mostly we are going to see these kind of requirement using Kinesis. We are going to connect different sources and we are going to write it into S3 locations. This is usual requirement. Today. So Kinesis can be used to connect different sources and can be read streaming data, can write it into target location. Okay. Now let's understand what are features. There are plenty of technologies available in the market. Just we see some components, some components in real world. Then what are advantages of Kinesis? Why industry chooses Kinesis? First point, Tim. First point, Kinesis is uh, used for reading streaming data. This is common requirement. Second one, scalability, Tim. Let's say, Tim, let's say existing architectures, existing technologies. So this is my streaming data. This is my, let's see, existing architecture. This is streaming source, and we created a cluster, cluster for existing architecture. That's a we created multiple missions, multiple missions to implement this one thing, to read this data. Let's say you are getting huge volumes of data. If this cluster is not supporting, then you need to add missions manually. Yes or no? Add missions manually. Coming to AWS Kinesis, Kinesis, Kinesis scales, Kinesis scales automatically to handle any size of data. Kinesis scales automatically. You no need to, you no need to say, you no need to say fixed cluster like existing architecture. You no need to set up a fixed cluster like existing architecture based on the data, based on the streaming data, automatically scales to handle any amounts of streaming data. You no need to set up manually. Yeah, without a serverless, how it will scale automatically? No, right? It's a it is a serverless architecture. Next one. Next one. You can integrate, you can integrate, you can integrate Kinesis with different services like Lambda, S3, Redshift, EMR. So you can integrate Kinesis with with different architectures, AWS services. You no need separate mechanism for integrating. You just need a role to connect Kinesis to these services to Kinesis. You need a role. You attach role to corresponding service, then that service can communicate with Kinesis. You can easily integrate with any AWS services like Lambda, S3, Redshift, EMR, Glue, etc. And next, coming to security, any AWS service, any AWS service by default get security from which service? AWS IAM. Let's say I want to access Kinesis service from other service. We need first important service is IAM. Along with IAM security, you can implement encryption, you can implement authentication to provide security to the data during uh, transform during transform and storage data. You can implement encryption and authentication with Kinesis, so that you can provide more security to the data. Along with IAM, we have encryption and authentication techniques to provide security to your data. And next one, low latency provides sub-second response times for streaming data ingestion and processing. Low latency. It will not take much time for storing streaming data and processing streaming data. It is super fast. So these are main important features in AWS Kinesis system. Okay, clear, right? Hope all of you understand what is Kinesis and key features of Kinesis.